Yinachi, Mama Kwaba BM Emfa Emra Bedwam Jumadi Eso. DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV channel so when you be actually live. And so war a hodom. Ano pebra see Mpensenpensemu bro, ya betwen komo kese pa ya e wonum. On the 2nd of December 2023, NPP amiko kwa abato so ato abade yi. Won ebe gina premrahye dwakonya de amomo abato mpesu a wonni mrahye bedwafo. Ye potokase ye kan orphan constituencies no. Baako aye Okan Kwei North. Obeke ya 2016 na akonya no ekuta NPP. 2020 any free NPP nsa ekodi NDC forza. It was Operation Reclaim Your Seat. It is some more year for 2024. Padi bakwa wojide mo apre Okan Kwei North abato akunya kese bi NPP amekuo mu eye Alberta Afia Akoto. Nemo ne ninim pa eba me Afia Akoto former deputy CEO Edma Maslog. My boko there. Who watch it?
So unhweme. Unhweme nkafia de nkamene mu a. Eso ejaze sei. My mo senkrofobia minimum.
Konso boko there.
Yes Adom. Yes Adom bibia boko.
Unemu ade na ate.
Oh, de metiane se mfa akonya eso nchia ya hwefo ne yetifu nyina ne titiri ne Okan Kwei North for. Minim se Okan Kwei North for hwe pa ne titiri minim se anope na na bi hwe yen deputy secretary nipa we bre hwe yen timichi Okan Kwei North for nyina ene eno amekọ apobo wo anumle nene nansa amekọ abofu ene mekọ eno amekọ akweteman ene anumle ene mekọ achimota ene ni boy town
okay
nyanya mi adoma ochina makwa akọwie wo ananwoma minemu a de metia ne se yehia maame Afia Akoto yehia obi a oye politician a oye down to earth yehia obi oye accessible yehia obi owo enisode hunu papa yehia obi a ne yam hwehwe ne mane mindful ti de minemu a metia ne Afia Akoto.
Does it mean say over the years omunya sa kandifo nana?
I'm not here to speak for how over the years others have managed themselves, but everyone in our or save if
okay.
And who ni me I see the me dance here then I'll be. Thank you. And naturally it comes easily. I'm not here to put up a facade. I'm not who I am, but naturally serving people comes
okay.
with ease. That is me. Okay. I love people from a place that, I mean, nobody can understand. Sometimes me don't cross which becomes even sometimes a weakness. Because in my life, all I love to do is to put smiles on people's faces. So me bibi amo bi no akase nyame nshraw. And no any idea ni je Abraham Ababo. Nti I cannot hold grief for the past leadership aba. But the minimum say if we had such leadership Okan Kwei North back to back from the seat I think was curved in 99 or 97. I stand to be corrected. I think 97. From Dakumense's time, I 8 years. Honorable Elizabeth Saki, I 12 years. And ye chemwa. Now, it was one of the largest after Domiko Abinya, near MPP's next World Bank. Till CHMwa, Honorable Patrick Bwama before the other one. Now, Obe Bisa say, a band saying Honorable Patrick Bwama, it's me maintaining the graphs for over the years, how he serves people from a place of love. And he's a Virgo, I'm a Virgo. We love to serve people. We love to put smiles on people's faces. And to know, and Yemi say Honorable Patrick Bwama, besi ne, Ogusukita Okan Kwei North. Now Okan Kwei North, they can't have a customer. A wanka, Mrema MPP, and Akakudi opponent.
And you chimney beer and favor.
No. Your chair still say we need. And you run your chim. And you know, and you may be one of my Mijidi uncle ye, and Samri, and yes, I'm in your Baba Obisobo, name no get ye, a basse, your Baba G seat, and they assume me mindful, a ward dog, no quarrimu, and your home Brasil. And Crown will come by about quite dready so cosopa, I am a constituency. Very. Obey a deputy Maslock penny. Dear now, ye bois, among 40. Thank you very much. This issue I have answered 1,000 times in the sense that. You be a Maslock, me be a Maslock deputy CEO. there were a lot of places I had key interest in.
Okay.
Okaikwe North was one. Honorable Patrick Boamao was two. Honorable Henry Korteho, was three. Honorable Esluusu was four in Greater Accra. Tema Mpensenpensemu, I added it to it. In the sense, how are these areas, one, some of the people I mentioned, I had a relationship with them. But when it comes to Okaikwe, because I lived there, their interest was my interest in it. Okay. When it comes to buying interest in all you have to do is certain you were MP, na orphan constituency. Into no MP ni pushy, ye buy every orphan constituency, every constituency in Ghana, ye be alone. But what I did to help Okaikwe North when it comes to Maslow was said, list nebebano, me shemuki na ni be account. Yes. Because I have tried. You say we OTA. Nobody who don't say benkumbeche. No, I wanna me free mat now 40 years of my life. It me cars ba near bechiche, loans ba near ba bechicha. Send your mefre on our west like nyas kakakro ye ba beche push list ba near fe binkan. And I say ye be mo bia 200 krana. O de bomodi an ye trem ye say account. That is what I could do to help. But mean to me on my own and sorry because there was a sitting MP and kasi me coach loan. When I do that, I'll be undermining the sitting MP. Okay. So this is what I did. And Matisa or Namoka say, Bimusa Muna de Maslog by. I mean, could you now say, Mina de Maslog by? You were the sitting MP, but in your need for Maslog, I helped maximize it. I helped increase the numbers for you. I helped. Abobo ye bi bususi ufie. So you can't say it's a Maslog. You have a walk and Queen North. You walk and Queen North bar.
Mami Afia pre niti say NPP delegates ya omo ewo Okaikwe North. Nyame ya no 2nd December. Obeto aba e na fam fam ko me board no so ne yenhwe 2020 election results parliamentary. Say the ko wieye ewo Okaikwe North. Theresa Ladi awuni ye ogina ma NDC. Ono ena ewini ye with about 51%. Your toss me the former MP Fuseni Inusa also near 47%. Majina we me no so because I'm not take the first and second lead. Like a 47 the go when we come to the Kenye.
Ha. Me pacho one esia hene 4 tanechi.
Okay.
Emma call first time.
Yeah.
Aho ye MPP seat. Sebe yedi yakoko be de show nsa obo ho ban.
Okay.
Then buy. That same candidate, if you take that same person again, he should tell you are giving the NDC an upper hand over your constituency. Okay,
so Ebimo so far is 2016. And from a case be na ball Ghana. And from a case about NPP.
Menka Samoncho.
NSC 2020 and from a corner.
No, I think then you don't know. No, then I think you don't know Okaikwe North about him. Asa wakache me say bantama me mo minusu be constituency. As asa wakache me say my friend say Sita Ayakoji Volta region, a bit me MPP dia forever.
Okay.
If says sit ni nyane na honorable John Amewu sit ni nyane na yenyae because he has a personal relationship with the people.
Okay.
It doesn't mean I'm from being a boy. MPP Okaikwe North a MPP seats. And the woman from a bonne free MPP inside we can't take you again. Yeah, MPP seat. A MPP seat. First time in history. Well, you no be brain, you nya opportunity see emeso me nkrofo a. Ye fan say had the MPP seat. It's in the the akokokora ko sen wa a man for better man. That is what has caused this. Nanka the reason I'm here no FM. The reason. Oh, please. Me say go and ask, go and do more inquiries about what caused us to lose our seat. And it's not something to do with Ejumadin. Most of even our own people voted skirt and blouse. It should tell you, say, they had an issue, and then a presidential too.
Yeah.
Move for presidential.
Presidential.
Presidential. Then you will understand what I'm talking about.
Okay. So it
is not about MPP name from Maboni. Even if you say something from Maboni, I still stand to correct you. Say in MPP, your second term, we need massively compared to what NDC used to win their second term. And from Abone, we won convincingly. We won 2020 convincingly. But for presidential, no?
Yeah.
Presidential will tell you.
Presidential is here.
Yeah. And it's not a matter of from Abone and SSC and SSC.
51 against 47. Where that closes our gap?
And I make us say, one presidential.
Yeah, only presidential members is here. When I saw, okay, so presidential Nana Adom for the 51.4%. John Dramani Mama 47.3%.
Have you realized?
So
so it should tell you what I'm talking about. Have you seen that?
So candidates na no mompeno.
Thank you. And you mean make a una waka.
But sanity.
Una waka.
Sanity.
Oh, your presidential na then catch your analysis. I didn't analysis now who aboard. I didn't analysis now who aboard. It should tell you so.
Because what done weighing for a parliamentary, what done about presidential. And I'm the presidential.
It's in a day in a catcher who I will see her as an ordinary person who said it away.
Is the candidate in a mompelo?
Me say, maybe they make my candidate.
Okay.
Dear na sa information way. You are an intelligent person. Dear na sa analysis way true.
Ma we made that close saga.
Oh, Debbie. Abba. Shall I mean cause I'm sure me I want your woman. I want you to tell me. I want me. Okan Queen North. Oba. The business community, don't forget me you jodi ni me trader ni me ko ni ba me nim jodi komokola e ho na mete me ni adwadifo ne me achimota market e ho na me di me dwa komola pass e ho na me ni omote me baby I'm not me nya homaso. And you know I understand the problems of the traders because me jodi ni 1 2 e ho na me atna me nyina Pentecost the churches there have a great say in our win over the years. One of the things that helped, if we are to go back to Honorable Elizabeth Saki Timer, you see her margin and then you compare it to this. One of the things that has helped Okan Queen over the years is the churches there. Fortunately for me, my papa Ketwa and a Church of Pentecost elder over that area. We have the Church of Pentecost in Kwadodo 6 now Okan Queen North. Most of the people out of anger transfer or vote out. I can easily get them to transfer it back. We are beko ehonum. I can easily get them to transfer it back to maximize votes. And yeah, no pay. Most of the people, my papa ankasa so ye Presbyterian ni mapa. When Presbyterians are going for their conference to go and nominate for moderators, he plays a key role. The Presbyterian churches in Niboy Town, in Akwetema, in my friend is saying Achimota, even I can get other people to get into vote. Uni mami Afia, me a former Jumaye. Me mami family strategy into up. Oh yes, Anna. Oh yeah, I'm my opponent. Because dolly come 2nd December, I'm winning the seat. I'm winning the primaries and I'm putting my cards out. I don't need to do that. But then my person will say, minimum honomasem, minimum honomabakosem, minimum dynamics into getting the seat back. That's the way it is. I'm not going to just win by the 51.4 now. No. I'm going to make sure I maximize it because look, come 2024, we are going to break the 8. So if we are going to break the 8 today, it means we have to break our neck to maximize votes in our strong areas. And that is my goal.
Am I sure?
Sure, Keke. Abba. Oma ohoye me nikano pe. Mami ya sure. Na uni mami ana. Mimi sasa uni me.
Mini
uni majuma metimi aye.
Minu me ne.
Uni majuma metimi aye.
Yes,
uni me say to maximize votes. You need a politician who is strategic. You need a politician who is strategic.
How strategic now do you run our election with?
Telling you my strategy is giving my opponents my card. Let me win the primaries come 2nd December.
Mami, when you deputy master boss BM, o constituency one of the trading constituencies and Krankrojem. Dear now would they convince you the phone say NPP for the back come 2024. When you do not to Obama or people the mom.
Oh, I said still na o pese me de me magu up no so na minim se Teresa baby a me fa bia me ho from atwam na ne ho opo nti no hwe wanhwe kra ne nkrofo hwe tumi beka we ebe ho na wahya ase because I can say ayekoi me de strategy group no chiabo na me opponents no mafa we three no ma hwe agu sam no you are I mean I'm a communicator. Yeah. I've done this work for far too long. Still you want me to put my strategies on this table. At this point my focus is to win the prize. It's how I'm going to win the prize no. Yeah,
delegates nkomodia
Mama nka samoncho.
One na dey be break 8.
Mama nka samoncho. Okay. Me di kan ka chose me odwadini. Yeah. Obi tie adwadifo how access na odwadini. Obi wo tie o ye nsɛmtroni. Metimi ate wadwuma access na. Thank you nti yɛmfansi here.
Ntu tie adwadifo no how na se.
Aba.
Ɛna nim sɛ na abaye fo no.
Me papa he odwadini o kan shifo nyina traders. Me former Guta president Pakofi Anson me ofa no kwa boso kan maboso kan for a friend is saying so nim dap motors banahene so nim se me nuane banahene onim se me nuane ko I mean yenya abusuane nyina ye adwadifo enti no wan na bete adwadifo asese ne me am free adwadifo abusuam am yo adwadini bra wo centroni na bete ase ana banka ana de on di dwada obi eni o te ye bro for asese me obi eni o akansi eni obi bia baako chese akokọ nan kura ni akansi eni mepe
who expectation be
me expect me o person me di ni na to jwa o person me ma anope Teresa yam ehwie ba me nyesa
o no say Teresa dey yenye no
in what margin of votes in
internal a primary say.
Honestly speaking, I normally don't want to put the cart before the horse because Sabi, okay. Even though there have been series of survey conducted and I know what we are looking for, I don't want to put it out because I want a CINFO to know say Adom minim say maton me ho bibia me mbisa say me yan work and sin na why kra na odi ni gina wa amanfo onim ni din me obo me din kra kwala keto akra ni ntu hia candidate afi na aba beton nya afi na aba beton me nyame Adom maton me brand no fa chi mota market ko ni boy town ko alogboshi pure fire me masum pure fire da all the enclaves in Okankwe North candidates na bi wo mu kra obi so say Okankwe North demarcations na wo kra oni they know me, they know my worth. Maton me ho, me din Afia Akoto, mami Afia Akoto. Central region for crazy hakra ni me. Ko upper east, womu nim din no. Ko upper west, womu nim din no. Ko me say metimi de me phone amount. And ko for one northern region. Upper east, our sister, ye bompa ye mawati. You deserve it. Look, I don't serve people because of the enemy. I do it because I love to serve. And in the nyasa na maba Okankwe North na meba baby amiahwe. All my love, all my life, all my love is to service.
A message from your constituents. Akosinsia, good morning. I live in Okankwe North. Okay, but I'm far area no am. We love Mame Afia Akoto. I'm a trader. Akosi. How can she help us to get soft loan?
No, important.
Okay.
Very important. One of the things that I aim to do, there is this institution, ABBA.
Okay.
They give loans to people, and I'm going to work with them. I've started, but because I am Mpensenpensemu, because Sabi, they say in the internal primaries now, internal, me worried. If I've worked with Maslow, I'm not only looking at Maslow, I'm looking at even the private sector. And this is a private company. Almost soft loan. What they do is your loan now you deduct it from creditor or top it up with phone. Okay. Into your mouse can top it up now monthly. Deduct it. Deduct it. You don't feel it when you are paying back. Into some of these things I'm going to introduce into the business entity what Okankwe North so that you do the phone look Okankwe North me and Medial. We've helped MPP strongly in the past, but unfortunately for us, because we've now had strong leadership, for the past 7 years now, we've been at this year yenam form. Yenya yen worth in the party. Into my mother said, come the last year of Nana Dankwa Kufuado Abai. Say baby to me a break 18 into me breaking my neck to make sure said ye here be I am ya Lucy over the last 7 years no ye do 1 year you better
dear no Luzu I'll bet me
in the sense say about security agencies crying ye fire and because you knew come for you knew be or what links were bemu you knew be or what access to mpanyifo meti me am former first vice or central region me bo run akachi say meti me anya soft loan dia bro kan queen north do oye PC wo baby meti me anya be dia bro kan queen north for that is a Akoto for you. I knock at every door and I get what I want because who know I am minister of state and I've worked in your constituency before. I've helped your win in your area before. And to say me here bibi abrem mpeso aso untimi nka say we be depriving me if I'm the PC. And this is what I'm bringing on board because among all the people contesting, none of them has a political history as rich as mine. I started my political life in 99. I was the youngest person that day. The papers, Daily Graphic reported it. I was fresh from school. I worked like nobody's business. I killed myself because I was excited to make sure, say, the change my mothers were looking for, my fathers were looking for, I would be part of that change. And I killed it. Into your DNA, we realize here from a military regime to a civilian regime. International security were tight. Into man play me role and come in your invitation. But they saw the work this young girl did, and they had the opportunity to be there. That day, chai me farm me because just say I'm going to make history.
But I hope how they acquire money issues.
Oh, you are acquiring issues. And then I said there are a lot of things I'm going to do. You are acquiring issues, but. There were quite issues. Our major road network is linked, but there are some communities. To say New Boy Town say road network in your papa. Me fan say I think say Alugboshi so enclave no Alugboshi inside no road network is very bad. Oh, it's about lobbying skills. I didn't say I said nobody in this government when ya akwenya ye osumfo I mean minister a minister of state obetimi aka say onambo amakwata onimejuma maye onimejuma amene na ye from opposition it is about opposition
abedetimi akogisa na ma we nyina ba
let me first of all tell you said to Fiakwa it is not our portion. We are breaking the 8. But let's ask again, among the candidates, who has sold her brand across political device? Amribia, Nanka, my ex-husband, NDC.
Okay.
Inti, so if even I have an ex who is an NDC, I should tell you, say, politically, I cut across. Internet and yet, Bibia, say, me here, say, as I say, me fully Bibiba, divide, but let me be honest again.
Okay.
MPP and co-position.
Okay.
Look, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the brand that is as solid as gold.
Okay.
So forget about the opposition aspect. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia serve 8 years you cry the obefan advice obesiya break 18. Obe break the 16th. Amai, to relax your position in the henko. Yet Timuse yet Tarigana to say by fine form.
Delegate said
why cry uncle. Oh, currently I see I here for 8:15.
8:15.
Yes,
okay.
yes. I see I here for 8:15.
And I am myself ballot paper so.
Oh, one nyame be. Un say yes me no don ensa. Odo nsa ye den. Say nyame say ode me yo anachede no de me abedom okan Queen North for. Ti no de me to baby a me ne okan Queen North for don ensa da me da na matri. O science so ka che me say na ready why we. Also because I want you to know that this battle is not yours. Me nyame agya me ka ho. Me nyame oba me ka ho. Me nyame sonsom kronkron me ka ho. Inti I'm with the Trinity God. Ti me da na matri. Ukwa America baby a matesi yesi ebi muzina man mo yesi he minimo baby a obem. Ukwa oba akoko so no Afia ahofe hwe me age a mother of 4 beautiful kids. So sexy say. Now who you ballot ne so a no akwakofa baby and akwakohe baby. Nyamisuro ni party say me. Now wangasa onyagumi onkronkron nyame onkronkron so de me ato 3. Okohe baby foforo kra onkronkron be twon sa ba. Ntina menye mistake ma onkronkron mo wati kotwede. 3 na. Okwa say number 3 na. Ojo paper ni say abehu oba akoko oba akopɛ. No dey team so no afoldi. Now afoldi ni say now dey team. Men show bi ni momo maka nyina no omo bejaye. Me da say.
Alberta Afia Akoto.
Me pacho mame Afia Akoto number 3.
Akoto.
Me da number 3. Nti me say oji ano ayeden. Hwehwe oba akoko oba akopɛ.
Okay.
Nti kana mo ntie.
Eno na mame Afia.
Ma dey na me kan. Adie na mekai kana muntie mutie o kana muntie we
kenti bacho ba kokko
aha
you order number 3
thank you
medas nyamin shira
miss medase
nyamin ka
amen
no man kunimdie
amen